Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy chop. Start by marinating chop in yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and spices for at least 30 minutes to infuse flavor. While it soaks, chop onions and tomatoes and toast whole spices briefly. Use medium heat to brown chop gently so it stays juicy. Finish sauce with cream or cashew paste for silkiness and sprinkle cilantro and lemon before serving. Marinate chop thoroughly so every piece picks up spice and tenderness. Aim for 30 minutes to 1 hour if possible. Sear marinated pieces in a hot pan until edges caramelize and set aside. In the same pan, sauté onions until golden, then add tomato puree and simmer until oil separates. Return chop to the gravy, simmer gently so juices meld, and adjust seasoning to taste before plating. Build layers of flavor by toasting whole spices and using fresh ground powders when possible. Cook onions until deeply caramelized to create natural sweetness that balances tomatoes. Allow the gravy to reduce slowly so flavors concentrate and body forms. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Finish with cream or cashew paste for a velvety texture, then gently reintroduce chop to absorb the sauce. Garnish and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.